You've heard the buzz about OpenClaw, but you're not ready to make the leap. Even their website is incredible. You literally click on their logo and something actually happens. Let me show you a demonstration of our OpenClaw Launcher, which is basically a tool that lets you run OpenClaw without any technical knowledge. Now, it's very, very, very user-friendly because we care about you and we want to make sure you have full control over your OpenClaw. So as you can see, it's very user-friendly. There's only 3 buttons. One of them is update, start, and stop. So you won't actually see the start and stop button until you click install. But since I've already installed it, then it's already running. All I can do now is update it. So whenever they update OpenClaw, I just click update and then it updates to the latest version and I'm ready to start it again. Installation complete. And you can see everything that's happening underneath, meaning you can feel very safe knowing whether it's running or not in the background. If for whatever reason you want to switch off or kill your OpenClaw, you just click on stop OpenClaw and click OK, and then in no time it will do all the background work and quit the services, and then it's not running. So as you can see, OpenClaw is stopped, it's not running, and now it cannot make any changes to your computer. So this is really good for people who not want to buy a Mac Mini, but instead they want to run this on their actual computer. This is going to give you the confidence that you have control over OpenClaw. So as you can see, we saw install, update, and start. Now it gets better than that. In the settings section, you can literally do all of these things. Now look how amazing this is. Sometimes, by the way, for people who already have OpenClaw, things can go a little bit messy. And if you ever have to restart the onboarding, you can click Setup Wizard. When you click on that, you'll be gone back to the questionnaire at the beginning and you'll be able to reset your API and all of those things. So this is what opened up as soon as I clicked on Setup Wizard. It asks you these questions again, and you click yes, and you carry on doing the onboarding as you would have done from the beginning. Additionally, if you want to connect a new app like WhatsApp, Slack, others, Telegram, you can click on this and it will open that for you. There's also a fix problems automatically button. Sometimes you will be disconnected from OpenClaw and you will not be able to log back in. Without this button, you guys won't know what to do. It's not so simple to use commands in the command prompt. That's why this installer is an insane solution. And last but not least, the free API calls section. Now, this is worth everything. This is going to give you 1,500 requests every day using OpenClaw without paying anything. And all you need to do is follow these 3 steps and you've got it. To get this incredible OpenClaw tool, all you need to do is go to our website, which is available. If you go to our homepage, you'll find the Claw Launcher app. And once you're over here, you'll see our website. And over here, it shows you that you can run OpenClaw without the terminal. Included free is 1,500 API calls every day. It's not only Gemini 3, it's also Claude Opus 4.6. And whenever the models get better and better, this will actually update and will use the latest models. So you don't actually have to pay anything to chat with OpenClaw. So that concludes this video. This was just a demonstration of our incredible tool over here. Let me just start OpenClaw if I want to start, and you can see it does all the hard work. If you ever want to see what it's doing, you can look over here. How's everything running, like I said earlier, and it will show you here whether it's running or not. And as soon as it's running, this here will change right in your face to a tick with running, and it's about to happen because, as you know, I clicked on start a few seconds ago, and so this is going to change to running in no time, and then it will actually launch OpenClaw on your default browser. So let's just wait for that to happen together. There we go, it's running, and now, like I said, it just popped up like this, and it's literally available to chat to me right now. Let's just see. Hello. It literally popped up. It opened up in my browser, even though I was trying to show you something. And let's go back to this. Okay, and that's basically it. That's basically it. It's a very user-friendly solution for people who want to be able to use OpenClaw and they don't have technical knowledge. Now, even more than that, it has where things are stored on the computer, which you can open up. Also, the sessions directory, which, by the way, there's no way of cleaning this from inside OpenClaw. And if you have too many sessions, like you could see over here, it literally clogs up your chat and uses all of your API tokens. And if you're not getting the free tokens, you're going to be paying for this. So you can click remove all sessions, and I click that now, and it will remove all the sessions, which is actually going to save me a ton of money. Additionally, you have the refresh. You can literally delete your config file. This will reset entirely your OpenClaw so you can start from scratch. So all of these tools are going to give you the control you need to run OpenClaw as if it was a regular software, without the fear of not knowing what's happening in the background. And remember, one of my favorite things about this is the stop OpenClaw button. So once you buy this, you won't actually have to pay anything else to OpenClaw because you already have the API calls included. And people have been racking up $50, $60 a day using OpenClaw. So this is going to protect you from using more money than you have, because once you pay this one-time fee of $49 at the time of making this video at least, then you can rest assured you won't be spending more than that, meaning you will literally only pay $49 and never pay an extra cent again, not to us and not to OpenClaw and not to the APIs, because you get these free API calls every day. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Daniel. We are Solations. We create software not only for OpenClaw. We create tons of software for WhatsApp, for Facebook, for TikTok. We create browser agents, clipboard apps, emoji mouse, custom GPT, Chrome extensions, just tons and tons and tons of software. So you should know you are in good hands. I know people are scared when it comes to OpenClaw. It's a very scary thing in general, but when you're in good hands, you can feel safe to install it, run it, and start practicing, because this is the future. Today we heard news that OpenAI is planning on partnering with OpenClaw. You can see how big this really is. So for all of those liars going around telling people that OpenClaw is just a hype and you don't need it, why is OpenAI joining with OpenClaw if it's not such an amazing big leap in AI, an AI that actually does things for you? I've created music videos with this thing. So follow us so you never miss anything, and see you in the next video.